Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing well and good in your studies plus in your life also. So tomorrow is mock test challenge day 7 and we are running this mock test challenge for SBI clerk prelims exam. As the exam will start from 10th of July and it will continue till 13th of July. So for tomorrow's to-do list, it contains one prelims mock test. But if you ask me, my exam is on 10th of July. So I will not give any mock test. I have written it for you all whose exam is on 12th or 13th. Okay. You can consider attempting one mock test and try to attempt the easy one mock test. And for mock test, if you want exam level mock test, then I would suggest you to go for textbook mocks, because in textbook mocks the mocks are same as exam level, plus the quality of the questions is also very good. Plus one more thing is that if you buy their yearly pass, then you will get access to all the SSC and bank every examination. It contains 330 plus mock test and you are providing the practice questions for other subjects also, like for maths, English and for reasoning also. So it is quite helpful. The link will be given in the description and by using my code you will get extra discount also. Then for me, if you ask me, these are the things for me whose exam is on 10th, they can consider these things and they can consider the prelims mock test. So for tomorrow I will give math speed test, which contains simplification, approximation and number series questions. Okay, then I will practice the memory based questions, because in memory based questions our confidence will get boosted, as the questions are easy in the real examination in comparison to the mock test. So try to attempt the memory based questions. Then I will read the editorial, plus I will practice 10 different types of puzzles. Then for current affairs, I will read the daily current affairs, plus I will continue my previous current affairs revision. And for current affairs, I am following affairs cloud, because in affairs cloud all the current affairs are covered and you need not to worry about from where to cover the current affairs, as the content is also very good. So you can completely believe on affairs cloud. And for buying, like if you want to buy their course, I will give their link in description and by using my code you will get 10% discount also. So the link will be given for affairs cloud in the description. So that's all for tomorrow. It is like a very short to-do list, but try to take proper rest and try to take proper sleep before the day of the examinations, and try to keep your mind free from the nervousness of the examination. Okay, you will do very good in the exam if you go to the exam with free mind and with confidence. Okay, so that's all. Thank you and have a nice day and all the best for your examinations. God bless you.